number 1910015115. Afternoon.
All the paperwork.
Sir, is your name Ryan M.P. Boer?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you. Your attorney is in court. Go ahead, Mr. Scott.
Your Honor, Mr. Boer came on the calendar last Friday, if you might recall. It was a somewhat fractious hearing, I am told. I was not present.
Oh, yes.
But I understand that there was some things that were disturbing. I saw him on Sunday, Judge, to prepare for today's hearing. And I'm going to confess to you that my visit with him was not dissimilar from the one that you saw on Friday. So my motion today is just to withdraw from this case. I've been called many things in my life, Your Honor, and I'm not necessarily thin-skinned about it, but Mr. Boer decided he was going to refer to me as a jackass. He also told me that he'd been busy while he's been down in jail in King County, held on a second-degree assault charge, doing my work, none of which I much care to hear. And then, Your Honor, Mr. Boer authored a letter to me, and I handed it to the judge. Prosecuting attorney seen a copy of it without comment. There's an additional reason why I think I need to withdraw from this case. So if I can approach?
Yes, please.
He's crazy. She's the prosecutor. She's the defense attorney. She's like a public defender.
Oh, she,
Come on, read it out loud. I'm so glad this attorney took the time to come to court today.
so, this is great.
Okay, thank you.
I have told Don Mason about the difficulty we had. I talked to him this morning, so he is prepared. I think that I have been the only attorney for Mr. Boer. The charges are violation of no contact order. Apparently, he was in prison when he was writing to the protective point. So it's not necessarily a complex case.
Okay. Well, Mr. Hamilton, excuse me, Mr. Boer, there's a little problem of finding you another attorney. Do you want an attorney? I'm going to accept your withdrawal.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Yes.
So what is the commencement date, Your Honor? Is it the 6th or is it today?
I asked you a question. Do you want an attorney?
I responded, yes, Your Honor, I would like attorney.
Okay, I've already had one appointed for you. I will allow you the second choice of an attorney from the Public Defender's Office. However, I don't have that attorney on board yet, so I would have to allow Mr. Mason time, Don Mason time to find an attorney that would represent you.
Your Honor, what if I requested one that, from King County?
No, you wouldn't get one from there. It's not possible.
Okay, is my commencement date today then, or is it on the 6th?
Since you want an attorney, I am going to continue this case for 1 week so that attorney can answer your questions.
Okay, I object to any continuance, Your Honor, and.
Well, you're the one that's caused it.
That's fine. And I would also like to, object to waive my speedy trial rights and ask for trial as soon as possible.
Well, if your intent is try to create delays, then you're not going to have a speedy trial waiver, a problem with that. Mr. Boer, I have this attorney review for 10/19/2020 at 1:30 p.m. Do I have your permission to place your signature on it?
Absolutely not.
Okay, I'll just provide that you were present. I'm ordering that the defendant shall appear personally for the following court dates at Allen County Superior Court located at 101 Northeast 6th Street, Coopville, Washington. Failure to appear will result in the issuance of a warrant for the arrest of the defendant and may subject the defendant to additional criminal charges. An attorney review hearing on October 19, 2020 at 1:30 p.m. If this order continues the trial date, it does not. If the defendant objects to the trial date on the ground that is not within the time limits prescribed by Criminal Rule 3.3, the defendant must, within 10 days from today, move the court to set a trial within those time limits. The defendant must also promptly note the motion for hearing in accordance with local procedures. If the defendant fails to do this, he or she will lose the right to object that a trial commenced on that date is not within the time limits prescribed by Criminal Rule 3.3. The defendant shall be subject to the following conditions of release pending trial. All conditions previously imposed upon the defendant shall remain in effect except as modified. All right, I have added that you have refused to sign.
Your Honor, I would like to object to a trial setting, because.
You've got to do it within a motion, you know, that's what I told you. Okay, I have signed the order. Thank you. The next person is State of Washington versus Hunter Bridges. 20-100111715, 20-1001485. Sir, this hearing is over.
For you.
Let's go, Mr. Brewer.
This hearing is over for you.
Good night.
All right, Bridges?